Hello everyone, I am Eka and you are tuned into the 506th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with an insightful update by Outlook Money on health insurance innovation. A standard health policy may offer broad coverage, but individual health risks, especially post retirement, often require more tailored protection. That's where optional rider come in. From critical illness cover that provides a lump sum payout during serious diagnosis to OPD riders that help seniors manage frequent consultations and medical costs. These add-ons are transforming insurance into a more personalized safety net. Inflation protection riders also ensure your coverage keeps pace with rising medical expenses, securing your future health needs. Our very own MD and CEO Dr. Tapan Singhal has emphasized the importance of awareness and customization in insurance. He stated that home insurance, for example, is not just for homeowners but also for tenants, yet remains underutilized due to low awareness. Dr. Singhal believes that insurance should be seen as and riders are key to making that vision a reality. Up next, we bring you a significant development reported by The Times of India. FASTags, originally designed for seamless toll payments, may soon become a multi utility payment tool for vehicle owners across India. With over 11 crore FASTags issued, the government is exploring ways to expand its use to cover traffic challans, parking fees, EV charging, and even insurance premium payments, bringing convenience and integration to everyday mobility. The Transport Ministry, in collaboration with fintech firms and Finance Ministry, is driving this innovation. Officials have hinted at possibility of insurance companies issuing FASTags directly, aiming to boost insured vehicle coverage from 50% to nearly 90% in next 3 years. As Road Transport Secretary noted, this vision aligns with the one vehicle, one tag rule and could revolutionize how we manage vehicle linked payments. It's a step towards smarter, more connected transport infrastructure. Our next story, featured in APN News, highlights that Manipal Sigma Health Insurance recently organized a health awareness drive and checkup camp at Government School, Karnataka, bringing preventive care and insurance education directly to community. Over 150 parents and students participated, receiving free full body health screening and hygiene kits, all aimed at promoting early health interventions and personal well-being. As part of its mission to support Tier 2 and Tier 3 regions, Manipal Signa is aligning with the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority IRDAI vision of insurance for all by 2047. Also emphasize that awareness must begin early, empowering families to make informed choices for their health and financial security. Through grassroots initiatives like this, Manipal Signa is helping bridge the protection gap and build a culture of preparedness one community at a time. Our final story today comes from the Times of India. Bangalore municipal body is launching an insurance initiative to tackle the rising number of tree fall accidents in the city. With incidents leading to injuries and fatalities, the plan aims to provide structured compensation. Rupees 5 lakh for disability, Rupees 10 lakhs for death, and Rupees 25 lakhs for extended hospitalization. The move is designed to streamline relief and ensure genuine victims receive timely support. BBMP has tightened verification protocols requiring police reports to validate claims.